Hello guys, and welcome to another video of Southwest Ireland Rainforest by Trackless, and all the plants are doing superb. My bamboo getting taller each day. My Phoenix and Utah are doing superb, and as you can see, my fern has got some new closures, and as you can see here, my fern is starting to get a trunk and some new closures. As you can see, the leaves are curling out, and my latest new addition, my lemon tree, and as you can see, has a fruit. In a couple of weeks time this will turn yellow. There's another fruit here, and my cherry tree got some more leaves. It's good, which is good. And my robusta, and as you can see, the leaf is starting to opening up, and the trunk has gotten fatter as well. This is what it will look like when it's fully grown. And that's all, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.